Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how can you deactivate your Canva account from your PC or laptop. So guys, make sure watch this video until the end. Here I am logging my PC and this is my account. Here you see top of the left option have inside learning. This is actually my account and I'm going to show by delecting my account. And here you see account setting, click on that and go through the bottom. Here you see the deactivate your account. That's mean you are going to delete your account, because if you once deactivate your account, you are no longer be able to access any of your design. So if you want deactivate or delete your account permanently, then just click on deactivate account here and click on again deactivate account, and here we go. Here you see sorry to see you go, you will be missed. So guys, this is the way how can actually delete your Canva account or deactivate your Canva account permanently.